Hello everyone, this is Terry Pugh again from Elevated Learning. I wanted to pick up with where we left off from the last video. We started building this report and we noticed we had a problem with representing the email, phone, website, representing contact information for each of the Superstore customers. What I wanted to do to make this explanation as clear as possible was to create a new report worksheet. On this worksheet, I'm going to multi-select by holding down the control key, email, phone, and website. And I'd like to drag these not on the column shelf this time, but on the rows shelf. And hopefully it makes it more clear as to what is happening. I think it's very clear from this respect that, number one, you know that all blue fields generate Tableau headers. So there's simply, when placed on the row shelf, there are headers to each of the rows of data that would be displayed here. Also, they're being displayed in a hierarchical relationship. So email row headers are no and yes. For each no, you're seeing the phone values. For each value of the phone, you're seeing the corresponding website values. This is not an accurate representation of the data for our report. So what we had done in the prior one was, I'm going to use the swap rows and columns shortcut by single clicking, and that will easily move multiple fields to a different shelf. What we're seeing here and what we saw on sheet 1 was the same thing. It's just on the column shelf. Each of the column labels was actually showing a hierarchical representation. So you're looking at the top of the tree, no, and then at the next level of the tree, you see each value for the no, and then at each, right below that, you see each value for no and each value for yes. Totally incorrect representation of the data. The source of the problem here is that really we have multiple fields for the same value. In other words, for the contact preference value, we have that data spread across multiple fields, email, phone, and website. What we have a representation of here is wide data. And Tableau has a problem visualizing wide data when multiple related facts are spread across different fields. Again, when you put them on either the columns or rows shelf, you end up actually generating a hierarchical relationship, which is incorrect. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how we can change that relationship. Instead of having wide data, we're going to change it to tall data, where we're going to pivot the data and we will have more rows than columns. See you in the next video.